So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today's video is on about PancakeSwap NFTs, and there's been a lot of speculation about their very own NFT marketplace. Is it going to be good? Is it going to be successful? What actually is the point of this marketplace? So before we get into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and yeah, it really does mean the world. All the support I'm getting really does help me out and helps grow this channel. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. So PancakeSwap NFTs came out a few weeks ago, around about a month ago. PancakeSwap released their very own NFTs. However, it was very saturated because the NFTs that they did release were avatars which were given out to people who had PancakeSwap accounts. So this is why the Pancake Bunnies had such a high supply. If I go onto the actual PancakeSwap NFT system, there is over 446,000 very own Pancake Bunnies. So technically it's a very saturated market. There's a lot of them already, so the price will keep going down and down and down with the amount of items listed. So obviously the more items that get listed, the price more than likely will go down as well. And I fell for this trap. So basically when they first came out, I was really excited to buy these NFTs because I knew the Pancake Squad was coming out very soon, but these Pancake Bunnies were just flying through the roof. The prices were going absolutely crazy. They're going through the moon. There was prices of Claire being sold for almost 2 BNB, 1.5 BNB to 2 BNB. That's almost a grand at the moment, current value right now. So yeah, I was getting very excited. I was seeing, wow, this is absolutely huge. Pancake Bunnies is going to be really big. Could be similar to CryptoPunks because it's the first very own NFTs. So I thought this is very big news and this is going to be really good. So I was then buying them, but what I was doing was I was sniping them as well, and this is where I made most of my profits. However, the price has gone down, but we'll get into it now. So what I was doing, I was sniping these NFTs. So when I used to play FIFA, long story short, bit off topic, I used to snipe players very quickly. Whoever lists them, we see at a cheap price, buy them and then sell them. So I used that example and used it on the very own PancakeSwap NFT system, and it worked because whenever you pressed items at the start, the cheapest and also the most recent listed price was right there. So what you could do is you could quickly press onto here, see the price, see it was 43 BNB right there. I'd press buy it, and then sell it for around about 44.5, just so it definitely sells lower than the other cheapest one, because at the moment it shows you the lowest price. You buy it for the lowest price and then sell it for a cheaper price than the actual price is going for now. So as you see here, if I buy this 43 BNB, I would try and sell it for around about 45 BNB, a bit lower than that, just so it'll be the top one which people can buy straight away. And this was my plan basically. I kept doing this and doing this and doing this. I kept making a lot of money. I kept making like 0.5 BNB every single day. It was going really well. I was picking up luckies for like 0.08 BNB, selling it for 0.8 BNB. So it was crazy. The money was crazy. However, the price kept dipping, and the price kept dipping because of the very own Pancake Squad. And this was the minting section where they released 10,000 different unique NFTs and you guys could get one. However, I was ready to buy one. I had my pancake tokens ready to buy. They were selling for 15 cake at the time. I had 30 cakes ready to buy. However, it sold out in the first 20 seconds. I tried buying, but it didn't work. It didn't put enough gas, and the prices were going through the moon. Once all of them got minted and listed, the prices were through the roof. Minimum was already like 10 BNB at the time. However, at the moment, it has been dipping loads. Currently 2.95 BNB at the moment, which is not good at all. The prices keeps getting lower and lower. But let's head over to the actual one, the first ones, which were Pancake Bunnies. So as we see, the lowest price right here is the 0.03 BNB, and these avatars were given out for just making an account back in the day. So this is why the market's so saturated, because of these. Well, you can look at the traits and see how rare each NFT is worth. So here we see Claire being worth 7.2 thousand, Hiccup 1.8 thousand, and this is why the price was so expensive. And at the moment, the price is dipping. I'll show you my NFT collection right here. So my NFT collection, I have 21 different NFTs. Yes, I'm now a bag holder. I am down a bit right now, but I am up in profit because I didn't play with much BNB. But this is my NFT portfolio basically. So I have one of these, I've got two of these, three of these, there's loads. I've got 3 different bullish ones, which I did buy for like 0.7 to almost 1 BNB, and I'm just bag holding. The cheapest one is now 0.3 BNB, so it's not looking very good, but I did buy these around about 1.5 weeks ago, so I did get it for a cheaper price because obviously BNB has gone up in price. But Claire, I still am technically holding 4 Clairs, just because I think Clairs are very, very rare. And if there is a utility for these NFTs, this could go through the moon for Claire. And this leads me to another theory. So there has been rumors that there will be a utility for these NFTs, maybe not all these NFTs, but definitely for the Pancake Bunnies. And obviously the Pancake Bunnies were kind of a gift card to basically get you into the early accesses of getting a Pancake Squad. So who knows if PancakeSwap actually make Pancake Bunnies a utility token, which can then get you through other NFT pre-sales or whitelist. You can maybe get some sneak peeks just by holding the Pancake Bunnies. So any news comes through that, obviously the price will go up as well because it makes utility. And there has been rumors that a game will be coming out for Pancake Bunnies where you can play with your very own avatars. So I've seen pictures of Claire being used and Panerai being used as a very own unique NFT, which you can play to earn, and earn obviously cake or any BNB. Who knows, but no one knows at the moment. And also with PancakeSwap, as it's an inflationary token, who knows that we could see there being a staking feature for the NFTs. And this is the one thing that I am looking forward to. I'm fingers crossed. This is why I'm bag holding for a very, very long time, because I'm waiting for their very own PancakeSwap to basically have a staking feature for the NFTs. We've seen Bakery Swap do this themselves, having different NFTs, staking them and earning passive income. And who knows, Pancake Bunnies could follow the same steps, and who knows, because I've got 21 NFTs, I might be able to earn a lot of cake just by staking. So who knows, but obviously it's a lot of, is it going to happen and will it happen? That's the question. But obviously the whole NFT system is very, very new on the PancakeSwap interface. They are releasing more and more every single week. They have now Karma Universe, they've got Shitpunks, Wolf Angers, Born Bad Boys, Born Bad Girls, Pancake Squad and Pancake Bunnies. Obviously the top 2 are the main ones, and these are just different projects. But hopefully we can pray that the Pancake Bunnies do go up in price, because it is killing my portfolio right now. It was worth 8 BNB at once, now it's worth 3.5 BNB, so it has dipped by quite a lot. But who knows? Do you guys hold any Pancake Bunnies NFTs? What do you think is going to happen? Is it dead? Is it down the drain? Is Pancake Squad the one to go for rather than Pancake Bunnies? Who knows? But it's still very, very early on. We're going through a bit of a bear market right now for NFTs, but who knows if Bitcoin has its run, Ethereum has its run, all kinds has its run, and then the NFT system has its run. Who knows? We could be earning a lot of money because it's still very, very cheap right now. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is PancakeSwap's NFTs. We have been very, very excited for this. The price of the cake token has not really changed too much, but it's a very, very good position to be at right now. They are working very, very hard, but this is a really, really good step for the target of $100 for the Pancake token. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and also comment, and check out my other videos. And yeah, peace out people, see ya, bye.